Welcome to our first training video on the Netstar FleetAI system. In this recording, we will be covering the following functions: how to log into Netstar FleetAI, how to change a password, how to navigate the dashboard, and how to view notifications. Users can access Netstar FleetAI using the URL fleetai.netstar.co.za, which will be provided by our product support team along with your username and password. The provided details can be typed in or copied and pasted in the username and password field. Thereafter, to access your profile, click on the login button below. Users can change their password by clicking on the user icon as shown in the video, and then select Change Password. You will then need to capture the old password you were provided, create a new password you'd like to use, and then retype the new password. To save changes, click on the floppy disk icon. Once logged in, a user will land on the dashboard screen, which displays all vehicle and trip-related information via widgets. The dashboard is customizable, and you can configure the dashboard according to what you want to see when you log in. To edit widgets, click on the widget settings icon and check the boxes for the widgets you'd like to view on the dashboard screen. To save changes, click on the Apply button below. You can also move widgets around and place them strategically to view the relevant information as you would prefer. Additionally, the details shown in the widgets can be viewed for a single day, a week, and even up to or greater than 1 month. To view notifications, click on the bell icon, and the user will view all vehicle alerts categorized between high, medium, or low-level type alerts. By clicking on the alert, you will be able to view a map screen showing where the alert was recorded for the vehicle in question. Here is a quick summary of what we have covered in this recording. To access Netstar FleetAI, the URL fleetai.netstar.co.za will be provided to you by our product support team along with your username and password. Once logged in, the dashboard will display all vehicle and trip-related information via the widgets. The widgets can be customized to display the relevant information and/or details a user prefers to view once they've logged in. Notifications can be accessed by clicking on the bell icon, and here all alerts will be categorized between high, medium, or low-level type alerts. You can also click on the alert to view a map screen showing where the alert was recorded for the vehicle in question. Coming up next is video 2 of lesson 1, navigating the object status window.